Some dispatch, okay?
Dispatch.
Let's go, Mikey. That's that guard.
Right.
Yeah.
That's that.
Go, go, go.
Yes, Mikey.
That's a pass. Control those heaps.
Control it, Mikey. Control it.
Yeah.
Pin that bottom leg down.
Nice.
Hey!
Take the back. Yes, let's go. Just stay with that leg right there.
Kick out, kick out. Go, go. Go again.
Yeah.
That's it.
I got too carried away. I don't think I filmed any of that.
Three reps, right? Just 3 reps gave it to him.
Eat your grips and go.
I like that logic.
Hey! 3, 3, 3!
Hey!
Let's go, Neil Belly! Let's go! Smash! Let's go!
Like 6 sides.
Yes, Mateo in front.
Take it back! Take it back!
I was waiting for that, I told you.
Like again.
That's good! Let's go! Again! Another pass! That's 5! Yeah! Focus! Focus!
Let's go, Mateo.
Come on, Mikey.
Take that grip! Focus now! Step on it and shit! Let's go!
Yes, Mateo.
He's got nothing. Scroll!
Come on, Mikey, on top. On top, Mikey.
Mateo, pass.
Okay, close it. Let's go. Skull City. Let's go. 3 minutes.
Whole city.
Go, Mateo. Break it open.
He's got nothing. Look, he's broken. He's got nothing.
Come on, Mikey.
Let's go. On the play. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, go, go, go.
He's got nothing. Don't give him that pass. Let's go. You're fine.
Yes, Mateo.
No pass, Mike. Let's go.
That's good. You're good. You're good. 3 minutes, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Focus.
Yes, Mateo. Good, good.
3 minutes and you go in Abu Dhabi. Let's go.
Mateo.
Grab the back of his pants. Yes.
Last time.
He's got nothing.
The hooks.
Pressure, Mateo. Pressure.
Arm inside. Arm inside. Underhook. Underhook the arm.
Mateo, reach for the collar. Yeah, go.
Let's go. Work and choke.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. He's breaking. He worked.
Collar, Mateo. Collar.
Let's go. He's done. He's got nothing, Mike. Let's go. He's trying to take your pants off. He doesn't know what to do. Let's go. For what? Advantage for what?
For what? What do you get the advantage for?
Oh, they're calling time. He's got nothing, Mike. Let's go. 2 minutes, buddy, and you got this. You got this. He's got nothing. He's broken.
Mateo.
Okay, watch
Come on,
me
Mikey.
dive on shit. Let's go. Pass again. Let him pull on you. He's scared to pull on you now. Push.
No, he's not.
That's okay. Kill some time. Kill some time. Yeah. Advantage. Advantage. You had the leg.
You have to try.
Tony's not that.
Come on, Mikey.
Come on, Mikey.
You got this, buddy. It's time, Mike.
Minute and a half. 1.5. Let's
You're
go,
almost
Sheehan.
there, Mikey.
Just stay safe now. Stay safe.
That's fine.
Pass that. Pass that.
Yeah.
He's got nothing. He's got nothing for the pass. Yeah. You got it. 1 minute.
Yes, Mikey.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. 1
Yes,
minute.
Mikey. Take his back.
Head and arm. Head and arm. Let's go. Yeah.
Come on, Mikey.
Let's go.
Hey. Finish, buddy, finish.
17. This is yours. This is yours. Stay there. Stay there.
Stay heavy, man. You got this. Stay heavy. We'll give him nothing, Mike.
You got this. You got this. Come on.
Give him nothing.
Come on. 30 seconds.
Don't go, Mateo. He is done.
You got this, Mikey.
36 seconds, buddy. Let's go. Come on.
Leave him alone with that, Mateo.
Mount. Mount. Let's go.
He is gas. Like 36 seconds. No, half guard. He had
You had something. You had something.
He had to.
Argue till he stands up. Argue till he stands up. And then stays up. I can't agree. You have to let stand up. 36 seconds.
Mikey, stay on the handle.
Let's go.
Mikey, stay on the handle. Let him be guard.
Just stay safe. Watch those subs. Watch those subs and stay safe.
Mikey, be cautious. Let's go. You're
23.
belly again, Mikey.
20 seconds. 20 seconds, Michael. You got it. Let's go.
You got a penalty, Mikey.
Don't worry. 13.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, never mind.
Let's go,
10,
Mikey.
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Yes, Mikey! Yes, Mikey! Hey! That was huge, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. Hey! Hey! No swearing!
No swear. No swear. Don't swear. Stay on the mat.
You got it, you got it. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. That's huge. Look at him. Oh, he deserves it for sure. Hey! Hey! That wasn't shit, I know. That was huge.